Here we are today. It's a dishwasher, DIHR. Look at those elements. So that goes here. The new ones are there. So this screw comes off like this. You just put that plate into that elements from the front, and it will stay here like this on the top, and you screw it down here. So here is earth, neutral and alive. So here we got new ones. There we go, new ones. I need to open that screw. So there we go. Just gonna put in here. Just wipe it. Here we go. So it goes in here. Like that, and this plate, just one hand in the camera, comes all the way down here. Will stay here one side. Now the plate are on, and the support, it comes off on the cross, and tighten up this screw here. So there is a screw put in. There we go. Okay. This is a 10 mm. It's all in now. It's tight enough. Here. There we go. Neutral. And live and earth. And happy days. Thank you. Connection done. And it's all ready to go. Thank you.